miles per hour.
Shut up!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chief Logan State, Mount Gay Shamrock, Holden, Mitchell Heights, Verdunville, Dayton, and Brayton. This includes Route 119 between mile markers 17 and 35. West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Midland County in southern West Virginia, northwestern Logan County in southern West Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time 15 and 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles from the wind miles per hour. Miles per hour. Average 50 miles per hour in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. This includes Chief Logan, Wind damage, Seventeen and 35. At 4 p.m. for the Colorado River at Southside Bridge in Charleston, 7.8 p.m. at Point
The time for second. Later with your speed, you're off that upslope, taking that bigger swing down. Your strike's going to be precise.
This shift. Can of poke's fun.
For the next guy.
This is for Eagle. And he had a beautiful high four-iron. Back into the breeze, you're actually able to hold this backside.
Most a lovely reverse pass, wasn't it, from Pedri? Neck and neck down the stretch, and this one goes to...
A new season of Survivor begins Wednesday, September 18th on...
In a pretty good...
Just a steady decompressed after that near miss at the open and